Building a custom gaming PC today that still performs at a high level in 2030 requires careful, long-term hardware planning. The game deriving at the end of this decade, built on engines like Unreal Engine 5, will demand massive architectural headroom. Developers pack titles with complex physics, dense background AI processes, placing continuous strain on your processor. Which brings us to a harsh reality. When you pick a processor, you are actually signing a long-term marriage contract with a specific motherboard socket. This chart shows two main options. Left, buy immediate raw power on an aging platform. Right, invest in a living ecosystem to swap chips later. You must choose. Pay a premium for a dead-end board, or start smaller with a guaranteed upgrade path. To make that choice clear, we are mapping specific processor architectures to exactly how you plan to upgrade your system over the next 5 years. Because looking at pure frame rates without factoring in the lifespan of the motherboard underneath it is a guaranteed way to waste your money before the decade ends. Let's start with the ideal choice for hybrid creators, Intel's Core i5-13600K. It packs 14 total cores, combining 6 performance cores with 8 efficiency cores, giving you a superb balance for gaming, rendering video, and handling heavy multitasking. But here is the catch. The 13600K lives on a discontinued motherboard platform. The physical socket it uses, LGA 1700, has reached the end of its life cycle and will not receive any future generations of processors. The strategic opposite to Intel's dead-end route is the AMD Ryzen 5 7600. This is a highly affordable 6-core entry point that places you securely on the AM5 ecosystem, guaranteeing compatibility with future motherboard upgrades. The trade-off here is longevity. Those 6 cores will struggle to keep up with high-end graphics cards before we reach the end of the decade. Looking at this timeline chart, you can see a distinct bottleneck warning around 2028. If you buy the 7600 today, the math dictates you will need to execute an in-socket processor swap to keep your system viable until 2030. Your decision comes down to this: secure supreme multitasking power today with zero room to grow, or start cheap now to ensure you have a platform lifeline later. If you want a hybrid option but refuse to buy into a dead platform, you step up to the AMD Ryzen 7 7700. Paying a premium for those 2 extra cores gives your system the necessary breathing room to run demanding games while handling background applications and streaming. However, the 7700 falls into a middle child trap. It lacks the raw multi-core strength of the Intel 13600K, and it can't match the gaming speeds of specialized processors. If your goal is maximizing pure frame rates, we look at the AMD Ryzen 7 7800 X3D. This diagram shows what you're investing in for a pure gaming rig: extra cache memory physically stacked directly on top of the silicon. Giving games access to massive data right on the processor delivers massive performance leaps, while maintaining incredibly low heat and power draw. This specific vertical stacking technique is called 3D V-cache, and it prioritizes enormous memory access rather than pushing for higher raw clock speeds. Because those clock speeds are lower, you will see a noticeable drop in performance for productivity tasks like rendering video compared to similarly priced chips. Buying the 7800 X3D means you are willingly sacrificing your rendering times and productivity efficiency in exchange for elite, cool-running gaming performance. That brings us to the absolute highest performance ceiling currently available, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800 X3D. This processor combines AMD's newest Zen 5 architecture with second-generation 3D V-cache technology. By combining high clock speeds with massive cache memory, this processor is mathematically positioned to completely avoid hardware bottlenecks for 5 or more years. It provides frictionless, unbottlenecked speed, delivering an immediate tier of performance that effortlessly outpaces all current generation hardware. Because it sits on the AM5 platform, it also secures your access to the newest memory standards and modern ecosystem technologies well into the future. The primary trade-off is simply the massive financial cost required to acquire it today. You also run the risk of completely wasting your money if you don't pair this chip with an equally expensive flagship graphics card. The 9800 X3D only makes sense as a 2030 investment if your entire system budget is prepared to match its extreme tier of performance. Getting to 2030 requires a deliberate choice. You either buy the absolute top-tier hardware today, or you secure a platform that lets you swap chips tomorrow. This matrix chart categorizes our options. The vertical axis measures productivity against pure gaming, and the horizontal axis tracks a strict budget against unlimited spending. Pure gamers on a strict budget map to the Ryzen 5 7600, upgrading around 2028. Hybrid users splitting video editing and gaming map to the Intel 13600K, accepting a dead platform. Uncompromising gamers seeking absolute dominance sit in the top right with the X3D chips. Ultimately, hardware moves fast, and you need to take an honest look at your actual daily gaming habits. Investing in a massive 2030 capable CPU is a waste of capital if you exclusively play low-demand esports titles today. Base your purchasing decision on the reality of your daily usage right now, rather than just chasing a calendar date 6 years down the road.